In this video, we'll show you how to add your Facebook pixel code snippet to one of your funnels on ClickFunnels. So first, you want to go to facebook.com/adsmanager. Once there, click on the Business Tools icon on the left side panel. Select Events Manager. Wait for the page to load, and then click on Connect a Data Source. Select the web option, and then hit Get Started. Now click on the Facebook Pixel option, and then click Connect. So now you want to select a name for your pixel. This can be anything you'd like. For this example, we are going to write test, and then hit Continue. Wait a second and another window will pop up. Click on Install Code Manually. And now you just want to click on the Copy Code button. And that's it for Facebook. We're going to head on over to ClickFunnels. Go to your ClickFunnels account. On the upper panel, hover over ClickFunnels and click on Funnels. Choose the funnel you want to install the pixel on. On your funnel page, go to Settings. Under the Head Tracking Code section, paste your pixel's code snippet. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save and Update Settings. So that's the final step, and now your Facebook pixel should be connected to your funnel.